Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're just going to polish this aluminum tray with the Hagerty 100 all metal polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this metal polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Hagerty 100 all metal polish uses a concentrated cream formula with tarnish inhibitors to clean and polish aluminum while leaving a light protective layer. It's a gentle all-in-one polish that removes oxidation and restores a bright shine without being too aggressive. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.